Hey coders, Suraj here from Be10x. Tired of spending hours writing repetitive code and searching for a syntax? Enter Tabnine, your AI coding companion, ready to supercharge your development workflow. Before we dive in, remember Be10x has an exclusive workshop on AI tools. Learn how to leverage the power of AI tools for code completion, debugging, and more. Click the link in the description below to unlock your AI coding potential.
If you are someone who got salary hike below 20% in 2023, it is because you haven't upskilled enough, and it is because you are not adding that much value to your organization. If you are planning to get 80 to 300% salary hike in 2024, that is possible if you learn and if you start using AI tools and ChatGPT for doing your work.
Meet Tabnine, your AI coding partner. Imagine having an AI assistant who understands your coding style, predicts your next move, and even help you write cleaner, more efficient code. That's the magic of Tabnine. It seamlessly integrates with your favorite IDEs, integrated development environments like Visual Code Studio, PyCharm, and WebStorm, offering context-aware code completion, get instant suggestion for functions, variables, and even entire code snippets based on your current context, saving you time and efforts. AI-powered code generation. Let Tabnine help you write boilerplate code, repetitive loops, and even complete entire function based on your specifications, freeing you to focus on the core logic. Language understanding and adaptation. Tabnine learns from your coding patterns and preferences, providing increasingly relevant suggestions over time, unlike basic auto-completion tools. Let's see some real-world example of Tabnine in action. Let's see how Tabnine can empower your coding in different scenarios. I am using VS Code editor here. As I have mentioned, Tabnine works with every popular code editor, so you can go with which suits you the best. To work with Tabnine in VS Code, click on Extension, search Tabnine, choose the top one, and simply install it. When it's done, simply sign up in Tabnine, and there you go. In Tabnine, we get this chat feature as well to interact with AI. So let's see whether Tabnine auto-completes our code or not. Let's try factorial code. Function factorial n. And there we have it, a factorial function. I didn't even have to write, and it has given me the correct output. The chat feature as well. So what is the complexity of factorial? So it has responded, the time complexity of factorial is big of n, and then below it mentioned n square. That's why we say always cross-check the responses. Okay, so let's see whether Tabnine can identify the errors or not. So I'm going to make this equals to instead of less than equal. Let's see whether it can find the error or not. So let's ask to AI assistant, the code for factorial is not correct. How I can fix it? So wait. Okay, so the code for the factorial is incorrect because the condition for the base case is incorrect. The correct condition is if n equals to 1. Okay, so it has responded me the correct answer and it has found the error, but it mentioned the same condition again. So that's where it is wrong. So let's see the another response of it, and there we have it. The second response is absolutely correct and less than equal to 1, and that's the condition which we were searching for. Remember, AI won't replace your coding skills, but it can augment them. Focus on the logic and problem solving while Tabnine handles the repetitive tasks. Don't forget to join our AI Tools workshop, learn how to master Tabnine, explore its advanced feature, and unlock its full potential to become a coding powerhouse. Click the link in the description below to secure your spot. You can also ask Tabnine to explain the code. It can help you with that as well. Now let's check whether Tabnine can write comments for us or not. Okay. And yes, it has added the comments as well. Let's generate some test cases for our code. So I'll simply write test cases and bam, It has generated the test cases. 5, 120, 0, 1, 1, 1. Wonderful. So you see how Tabnine auto-completed or suggested the code very easily and quickly. But always cross-check information because we have seen that it has given wrong output at one place. So always cross-check and use it wisely. That's it for today, Be10x fam. Tabnine is a game changer for developers of all levels. Boost your productivity, write cleaner code, and unlock your inner coding master with the power of AI. Remember, explore, experiment, and see how AI can revolutionize your development workflow. Don't forget to like, comment, share this video, and subscribe to our channel for more informative content like this. And most importantly, check out the link in the description for our AI Tools workshop. We will see you there, ready to help you become an AI-powered coding champion. Thanks. See you next time.